Hello, this video will cover how to set up ITFlow. We'll be using a virtual machine running Ubuntu 22.04 and the domain name tutorial.itflow.org. If you head over to itflow.org and hit get started, you should come across the installation via script recommended method. Some requirements here are that you run Ubuntu 22.04 or Debian 12, your virtual machine has a public IP address, you have ports 80 and 443 open to the internet, and you have a fully qualified domain name pointing to the IP address of your virtual machine. So in our case this is tutorial.itflow.org. If we navigate over to our VM and SSH in, we can cd over to temp and download our script. Cool, that's downloaded. Now let's run it. You can see here, I'm not able to run the script initially. Oh. Permission denied. So you have to modify the permissions on the script to allow it to be executed. If I can spell properly. Let's try again. Cool. Please enter your fully qualified domain name. As we mentioned earlier, this is going to be tutorial.itflow.org for us. For you, that's probably going to be itflow.yourcompanyname.com, or you could use portal.yourcompanyname.com, or help. Anything like that will work. Now the script's going to download and install the required files. And you can see just at the end here, it's just requesting an SSL certificate for tutorial.itflow.org. And we're done. We have the database credentials here, which I'll copy and paste. And we're ready to get started. Cool, we've made it. Let's begin setup. Database name is going to be ITFlow. Host is localhost, it's running on that machine. Database username, also ITFlow. Database password, nice auto-generated password here for us. Click on next. Let's choose our name and an email address and a password. Company name. We'll just fill out the required fields. You can add any additional comments here. We do read them all. And take note of the post and installation steps. So there's a bit about backups and cron. Backups are particularly important. We'd recommend backing up the entire VM if possible. You should also store and retrieve your master encryption key. Cron then is scripts that run in the background. If you use the script, these are already set up for you. Cool, and we're done. If you sign in using the email address you specified earlier, password, you're set. All you have to do now is add your first client, and away you go.